Hello beautiful, thank you for coming back. In this video, I'm going to be showing you an extreme hair growth treatment. If you enjoyed this video, kindly give me a thumbs up and do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Please turn on your post notifications so you get notified whenever I post a new video. The first ingredient for this treatment is ginger. Ginger helps improve circulation of blood around the scalp, which promotes hair growth. Ginger helps fight dandruff, it conditions your hair, prevents split ends, and also reduces excess hair breakage and excess thinning. I'm going to go ahead to chop my ginger into smaller pieces. It doesn't matter if you peel the bark or not, it's still going to do the perfect job. The next ingredient I'm going to be using is aloe vera. As you all know, I use aloe vera in almost all my DIY treatments because of the amazing benefits aloe vera has. Aloe vera can be used as a pre-poo treatment as well as a deep conditioning treatment. It eliminates dry and itchy hair. It helps in balancing the hair's pH. It helps retain moisture in the hair and also has an exfoliant property which clears dead skin cells that may block your hair follicles. After chopping my aloe vera into smaller pieces, I went ahead to wash my aloe vera and my ginger to let go of the dirt that might be sitting in. And the next thing I want to do is to blend these two. But before doing that, I would love to extract the gel from my aloe vera. So I forgot to mention, I learned these very powerful hair masks from Farah Dukai, your local internet auntie. She made use of this treatment and she noticed less hair fall, and I've been using this for a while now and it helps hair breakage. It helps to reduce hair breakage drastically. So I will advise you make use of this treatment on every wash day because it helps to reduce hair fall and also hair thinning. After extracting my gel, this is how it looks like, and I want to add this to my ginger and blend everything together. But before doing that, I would love to add half cup of water into this mixture and go ahead to blend my mixture. So in the process of blending my mixture, I noticed that my blender was so bad to the extent that when I was trying to remove it, it just poured out, and I had to go the local way of pounding this. It wasn't easy to pound it, but I just had to do it with the whole phone, so I went on ahead to pound it the local way. So yeah, this is how it looks like, and I'm going to be extracting that using my pop socks that I don't use anymore, and I'm going to be sieving that out. After about 5 to 10 minutes of allowing the gel to drain out into the bowl, I went on ahead to use my hands to squeeze out more of the gel because there were a lot in there, so I had to squeeze it out. At a point when it stopped coming out, I had to use water to bring out more of the gel. So after the whole extraction process, this is how my gel looks like. So I'm going to be transferring that into my spray bottle for easy application. And when I'm done, this is how my gel looks like. So it's time for application. So this is how my hair looks like. All gorgeous, all beautiful. And the whitish stuff you see there is aloe vera. So I had some aloe vera still sitting in after the extraction process, so I just went in and applied it to my hair raw. So the next thing I want to do is to section my hair to make the whole application easier for me. I remember when my sections used to be 12 and above, but yay guys, my sectioning is just 6. So I sectioned my hair into 6 places. I'm so happy that my hair is growing well. So to start the application, the best thing to do, or the first step, is to apply this mixture on your scalp. Why? Because this is where your hair grows out from. So it's important for you to apply to your scalp, then to the middle of your hair, and then to the ends of your hair. I think that's the best way to put it. So as you apply this treatment, it's very important that you massage it in so that this treatment can penetrate into your scalp to help improve circulation of blood around the scalp, which promotes hair growth. One very important thing I want to do is to squeeze this treatment into my hair shaft, starting from my scalp all the way to my end. And when I'm done with that, I'm just going to twist that section back up. So that's all with the application, but then I would love to show you one more time. It is best to do this treatment on a very detangled hair, and while applying, it's important to start applying from the roots of your hair down to the ends of your hair, and make sure that this treatment penetrates your hair. This experience wasn't the best because I had this gel flowing down my body, but then I was consoled by the fact that it's going to help prevent my hair from thinning, protect my ends from split ends, and also reduce hair breakage. So for that section, I'm just going to do the same, applying to my scalp, to the rest part of my hair, and then to the ends, and also making sure I massage this treatment in from my scalp all the way to my end. I'm also going to further detangle my hair and also twist that back up. So that is all. That is just the major way to apply this treatment. And like I always do the magic, I am done, and this is how everything looks like. Just look at the way it's flowing behind my back, but then it's all part of the struggle. I still had a lot in my bottle, so I went on ahead to add more. I'll be covering my hair with a plastic bag and also with a bonnet to retain heat, and I'm going to be leaving this for about 30 to 45 minutes. It can also be left overnight. So we are done. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. Kindly give me a thumbs up, share, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye guys.